You got Boogie G at Boogie G Motorsports. What's going on, world? We just want to let you know we riding out again on our way up here to A1 Classic Parts and Restorations up here in Virginia. We bringing the doors up here to this Camaro. You know, we dropped the Camaro off, and so we bringing the doors up here, and so they could go ahead and get started on this thing. I know they look like Mr. Rick standing in the window right there. So yeah, that's them. They standing around. I guess they waiting on me to show up and give them some more work to do. And so that's what we're gonna do. And I'll go in here and holler at them right quick and see where they want me to put these doors. Get my hat on. It's chilly out here today, and we're gonna go in here and talk to them right quick. Mr. Rick, hey man, how you doing? Good. What's going on, Mr. Tony? How y'all doing, man? Y'all all right?
I'm doing fine.
How about them doors? Jeff said he want us to bring them doors.
Yeah, right there. We'll bring over and set them beside the rest of the stuff.
Oh, okay, all right.
Line the quarters up best we can.
Okay, yeah.
Most time on them cars, they always show it. How you doing?
Good, man. Good to see you.
I took the windshield out of something we've done to it.
Okay.
But I'll start operating on it. I got
We've been
mine.
inspecting it.
What about that strut tower? What do you think you'd be
I
doing?
don't know what I'm gonna do that shit.
The what?
I
Oh,
don't know what I'm gonna do to that.
that's you have to get another rear end if you want to fix that.
Well, I mean, I guess just throw a piece of.
I can make it look a whole lot better than it is.
Yeah.
But I can't move.
The shop.
Can't move the shock unless
Yeah,
you.
right. Cause it's a
They
stagger.
do make a shock relocator.
Yeah.
It's like an aftermarket kind of deal.
Yeah.
You know. I don't know if we can do something like that or.
Well, you know, like I said, just make it look.
I can make it look better, but it's still gonna be in the wrong place for a 69 Camaro or 68 Camaro.
Well, since they changed the rear end,
You gotta go with it.
I go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can make it look a whole lot better than it does.
I wonder about the brakes. He gonna put disc brakes on there, and so I wonder. That's gonna be one with the stagger. I'm just have to order brakes for a stagger, right? Because they got two different kinds. They got kind for the like the 8.2 or whatever, and then they got the
Are you
brakes.
talking about putting disc brakes on the back, on the rear end?
And I guess I'm gonna have to order one for a stagger then.
What are you saying, staggered?
The stagger struts. Because you know it's supposed to be, both of them supposed to be in.
That shouldn't have nothing to do with it.
Yeah, but I know they sell them like that.
Huh?
Yep.
For the shots?
Well,
For
they
the
said,
shots, is
I think they're talking about it might be the specific rear end. It might not fit.
Yeah, but see, most times you got like a bell that goes on where the wheel lugs are, and then, you know, it's got multiple patterns on it.
Okay, right.
Now, what kind of brake system are you talking about? Welded or something like that? Aftermarket racing kind of
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, they'll be vented and all that stuff.
Yeah, the rotors both don't do that bell and.
But I was just wondering what the pattern of the is it 4.5?
Is it 4.5 or 4.3?
Is it 5 by 4.5? Okay, I'm gonna have to order brake. Well, I'm gonna order some brakes for it.
It should be a 5 by 4 by 75.
5 by 4.75.
That's what I think.
Oh, okay.
I mean, them wheels right there, 8-inch rallies. That should fit right on that car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And they're 4 by 5 by 75s.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, then. All right. Well, see, I gotta order brakes for it, right?
Now,
And the problem is,
he won't change the rear end back like it's supposed to be.
I don't think he's gonna do it.
What?
Well, he wanted positive traction. I'm sure that's probably what that is. I would hope. Cause I'm gonna just put a diff in it anyway. I'm gonna put a LSD in it to make it positive traction. What yours positive traction? That 12 volt?
I ain't even looked. I don't know. Don't really care. Hey, look on 302, you ain't no need much positive traction.
I see you got a new package tray and all.
Yeah.
That's gonna look good.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that's gonna look real good.
I'm gonna start cutting on that thing toward the end of the week.
All right.
So I got mine ready now to put the quarters and stuff back on it, and the roof back on it.
Oh yeah. Oh, you done cut the. Oh, I didn't know you were taking the roof off of it.
I had to take all that off, so the weld up all this new stuff.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
had to weld this arm back in.
Okay.
And then I had to weld all this under here, weld in here. I put some extra supports in here.
Man, Mr. Rick been working on this thing here, boy. Whoa, wait.
I'm ready to put the quarters back on it and the roof back on it now, and then I get the rear end done and put the front wheels on and get it off the lift.
Now the Auto Expo in Greensboro is February the 17th, 18th that weekend. It's gonna be ready.
No, I ain't taking that. Hey, Jim Finance, how about that 70 Chevelle?
Yeah, I think I might have your deal, man. Hey, you may. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
That'd be a real good deal.
I believe we're gonna have you one. I don't know.
All right, because I'm ready.
You gonna let me do the engine for you?
I might let you do it
I'll do you a 5.3.
then. I might let you do it.
All right. Okay.
If I ain't already done bought one.
An engine?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't need to buy one.
Yeah.
Let me do it.
I might let you do it.
Okay.
But
I might get your deal on. Let's see what it come out like.
I'm gonna start cutting on it this weekend. If I don't go to West Virginia,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna cut every sheet metal off this weekend.
Okay.
Then I'll have to clean it all up.
Yeah.
You know, see.
What about this? We ain't gonna be able to say this.
I ain't no mess with that. That's chrome. I ain't no mess with
Yeah.
that. But what I'll do, I don't know if we'll be able to save it or not. But see, I don't know what they put in here. So I gotta
Yeah.
get
What
all,
is that? Like a seam seal or something?
Yeah. So I gotta get all of that off to get the roof off.
Yeah.
You see what I'll do? I'll come up through here with my
It's
cutter.
caulking.
Yeah.
Why they caulk that like that? They want to make a race car out of it or something?
I believe this car was a race car. I believe
You
they-
think so? Somebody done made it a race car.
I think so. Why would you want to sat in the shop?
Right. Right. But Tony said he probably gonna try to do something to help it out. Oh, Jeff wanted to show me something about the trunk. So y'all cleaned it out. Says a lot of holes.
Yeah. Jeff cleaned the trunk out.
Oh yeah. Oh. It's rusted up too, ain't it?
Yeah, but I mean, you know, you could patch that up. I mean, it's not bad.
Okay.
And when you can open it up and put your foot through it, that's bad. I mean, you can grind this down right here and
I'll put some sheet metal over.
well, you put some all metal or something in it.
Okay,
Smooth
yeah.
it up or something.
Yeah.
Somebody's even patched this. That quarter's been patched.
Yeah.
This no has been patched too, but they ain't gonna make a difference. I'm gonna cut them all off.
Yeah, they're gonna be off anyway.
I'll start somewhere right along here,
Uh-huh.
and I'll come up through here, go right down through here, and then I'll cut it right across here, up through here, across there, and back down, and lift the whole works off.
Just take the whole quarter and all off.
And then I'll have to come back and have to grind all this out, clean all this up, because the quarter pound's gonna come all the way around, fit right in here.
Oh man, yeah. That's the seam right there.
So as
It goes into that rocker panel, or it just come up through here
Yeah,
first.
it goes right. See right there where it's at?
Yeah.
So you're missing a piece right here, and it comes right up through here, and around through here,
Mm-hmm.
and then the quarter panel lips over right here. So all of this be new.
What about that striker?
Well, I'll take the striker off and put it back.
Oh, okay.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
No, ain't nothing wrong with it. Okay.
So when is he think about? Is he done with that car?
No, they I think he's going up there in a week or so. I mean, you know the weather ain't been the best. You know the weather ain't been the best up that way now.
No.
So he picking it up in New York. So you know the weather ain't been that good, so he can't roll up there like that.
He's got a title with it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why they cocked that up like that.
I don't know why they did that.
I'm gonna tell you, people do some crazy things.
They really do, man. I mean, they gonna mess the car up doing that.
I gotta know about that. If they pulled, ever put the ring in it, didn't put the nuts on the shackles.
Yeah.
Well, they pulled the car up on the trailer, but the rear end slips. Well, they got the car cover up. They ain't paying no attention to that.
Right.
These guys, idiots. They broke a come along trying to pull this car up on me. They broke.
And it was wedged.
This.
We'll be back.
Rear end